precision. To counter this threat, Ukraine has developed specialized anti-drone ammunition designed to turn ordinary rifles into drone killers. This is already codified, meaning it's officially approved for military use. But how does it work, and can it really change the game? The new rounds, developed by Ukraine's Brave 1 defense cluster, look like standard 5.56mm NATO cartridges, but contain a specialized warhead that increases the chances of hitting fast-moving drones like DJI Mavics or FPV kamikaze UAVs. While exact technical details are classified, the design likely incorporates fragmentation or multiple sub-projectiles that spread out upon fire.